sense of the word. The sun is out, the football has a special place on this most idyllic of days. This, of course, the fixture to which we've been looking forward so very, very much, and for so very, very long. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch is pristine, the crowd basking in the sun, smiles on faces. A really good omen for the game, we hope. This one of the great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the grandest fixtures. What are you making of this formation, Jim Beglin?
It's a setup that's been enjoying quite a renaissance in recent times, and one that complements the counter-attack very nicely, with two strikers, two wing-backs, and potentially two runners from central midfield. You can understand its attraction because it really can get the numbers into the opposition's box, and equally, it can get the numbers back into your own.
So it's down to business here. Well, he acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, the idea was right, the delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
And he's there to get it away. The press is doing its job and possession has been lost. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. That's surely a foul. Free kick. Big chance! Goal! And it's Urawa Reds who take the lead. Urawa Reds take the early advantage. Played out to the wing. Shapes to shoot! It's there! That is remarkable! All square in a matter of moments.
Yeah, they say that fortune favours the brave, and we've just seen an example. This team has real personality and character.
No space, no problem. You just cannot stop him.
Well, he had to deal with an awful lot of unwanted attention, but his tenacity won the day.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Well, I think the players will be buoyed by the fact that they've managed to level things in a hurry. Tails most definitely up now.
Well played, that has snuffed out the danger. Yeah, he's fouled him there. Well, they've got it back in a hurry. He's left his man. Out to the left it goes. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. Some terrific running on the ball there. Those efforts are not going unappreciated. Strong running down that left flank. Wriggles his way through. He is through here! Played out to the right. Interesting ball. Couldn't quite squeeze that one through. That pass has been well intercepted. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Clearly is miffed, having made the run and not get picked out.
Sends it forward. And the pass is intercepted. That's a risky ball, you've got to say. Oh, shooting chance! It's in! And they get themselves in front! Speed of thought, efficiency of movement, and certainty of outcome.
Well, I think the keeper has every reason to rip into that defence for allowing him to get into such good position.
Urawa Reds get themselves into the lead. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Hit out wide into space. Approaching half-time and still behind. Can they make something happen now? It's an inviting looking ball, that. Chance to break. And that's been levered clear. Shot could be on. And that'll be the last act of the first half. So a really good half of football, 3 goals and just one separating them. Caution certainly not on the agenda here from both sides.
Well, it remains very delicately poised, and based on the promise we've seen through the first 45 minutes, I wouldn't be surprised if this takes another twist or two. It certainly would be in keeping.
So we're already into the second period. So 45 minutes to turn it round.
Whatever happens, that's the kind of movement which raises hope.
Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge.
Yeah, well, they were exposed and vulnerable, and he knew he had to do something to prevent a goal then.
And this is a great chance to get themselves back square. He's shaping up to have a crack from here. He's had a crack. That was travelling.
Oh, well done for him to take the shot on. He did at least hit the target.
Moved on forwards. And he was alert to it. That's ruffled a few feathers. but well dealt with. And the finish! Decent strike, kept it fizzing low.
I actually like to see that in shots at goal, when there's a noticeable effort to get over the ball and keep it down.
Oh, super ball! Played out towards the right wing. Oh, he's played it in low. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Played back to the goalkeeper. Corner it is. There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Gets up to head it! But oh, he's got that completely wrong. Couple of changes then in quick succession.
Well, it's a move of great promise, but will it really prove productive?
Oh, it's good stuff. This is better. This is a really front-footed approach.
Well, the question now is whether they can sustain it.
There's going to be another change here. Over to the left. No, that's been intercepted. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Out to the right. Deflected behind for a corner kick. With style. Do not write them off. Back they come. Sharp, simple, satisfying. He just knew what was on.
Well, I admire players who do that because they just don't give up on anything.
And very quickly, the substitute made his mark.
I think the manager's claiming an assist here.
Quite a thriller this one's become.
Well, they're back on level terms, so the guessing game goes on. As to what will happen from here, I've no idea.
Just eases him off the ball. Urawa Reds looking to pass their way through.
Well, they deserve an awful lot of credit for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal credit that would be most welcome now.
Is there any support? He might not need it.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
Has a goal! Sticks it away! Now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change.
Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. He'd become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it, and I think that's happened in this case.
Urawa Reds take the lead.
I think the danger for them now is fatigue. I think when the body tires, the mind soon follows, so concentration is key from here.
A real chance if he can get through. And the shot! Fair attempt, just the wrong outcome. Have their second corner now. A spectacular effort! Well, that is rather wayward.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Great chance! It's a goal! And surely that does it! Perfect time! Decisive strike! Simplicity itself.
Well, to his credit, he managed to ghost into space to finish things off, but the failure to spot him was ghastly defence.
And with that, the hat-trick is complete.
This is frightening football. He has increased defensive fear on the way to that hat-trick.
Urawa Reds could not have picked a better time to snatch a two-goal lead. Is there still time for a response?
Well, I think if they're going to have any hope from here, they'll need to see the more experienced lads step up to the plate now.
Drilled in low. It's gone out for a throw-in. Lovely ball and a real chance now. Might be dangerous. He's got the shot away! I think that's offside. Yes, it is. And that is that.